Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So for today's video, we'll be doing a requested design and it's from Silene Lagonilla. Sinuggest niya that I make ombre nails using Polygel on nail tips. So let's do that by first prepping our nails. Ito yung usual na ginagawa ko, gumagamit ako ng cuticle pusher first to push back and scrape the cuticle area, and then a nail drill to further clean the area from dead skin. Para may maayos na kakabitan yung polygel, ifa-file natin yung surface ng ating natural nails using this file. When doing this, inaalis natin yung shine from the nails para matanggal yung mga oils na pwedeng mag-cause ng lifting. As suggested, gagamit tayo ng nail tips for this set, so isize natin yung tips to our nails, making sure na it fits from sidewall to sidewall. And then after getting the right sizes, i-glue na natin siya sa ating nails. Maglalagay ako sa tip and also sa dulo ng ating nails to ensure proper adhesion. Pag ipa-place na natin siya, hinahold ko in place yung nail tip for about 5 seconds and then pinching the sides as well for another 5 seconds para sure na didikit siya sa ating nails. Ititrim ko yung nail tips to a short to medium length. If you want the length of the tips as is, you can skip this step. And then i-shape natin yung tips into our desired shape. For today's set, gagawin ko siyang parang square na medyo tapered yung sides, so it kinda looks like a short coffin. Using a nail drill, i-roughen up naman natin yung surface ng ating nail tips. Another way to prolong the life of our nail extensions, pwede tayong gumamit ng nail dehydrator and primer. If you don't have one, you can use acetone as an alternative for now. I-apply ko lang siya sa ating natural nails, applying the nail dehydrator first. And then the primer. Before applying the polygel, mag-apply muna tayo ng base coat on all of the nails and cure it under a lamp for 60 seconds. After that, i-ready ko na yung mga materials na kakailanganin natin, such as paper towel, slip solution, brush, and of course, yung polygel. Since gagawa tayo ng ombre, gusto ko i-recreate yung baby boomer nails na ginawa ko on one of my old videos. I made that design using dip powder, and a few videos later, gumawa ulit ako ng baby boomer design using polygel. Pero that one was more of a French tip kasi itong gagawin natin is more of an ombre. So of course, yung colors na gagamitin natin is white and pink. Mag-start tayo on the tip using the white and make a fade into the cuticle area. After curing that for 60 seconds, mag-proceed naman tayo in applying the pink polygel. This time, i-fade naman natin siya onto the free edge. And then let's do that for the rest of the nails. These are my nails after malagyan lahat ng polygel, so after nun we're gonna proceed to filing. But before that, mag-rub muna tayo ng alcohol on all of the nails to remove the sticky layer. After filing and buffing, we can now apply the top coat. And cure that for 60 seconds. Lastly, don't forget to apply cuticle oil. So here are my nails. I love how the way they turned out because making an ombre is harder than it seems. I've only done it a few times kasi the transition from one color to another must be seamless, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka with fading the polygel out kasi pwede siya mabura when you're filing. So thank you for suggesting this design. It helped me practice and improve on doing ombres. Try doing one. It's very exciting and fun to make. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.